You in the previous video have watched how we do our metric conversions using prefixes. And I'm going to do 4 more examples. This is ones that you may have tried on your own, and now you can use this to double check if you're doing things right. We have to identify that kilo means +3, centi means -2. So we put our +3 -2. Now we need the power difference. And we're going down the chart, so our power difference is +5. So the difference between those numbers is 5, and we're going from bigger units to smaller, so we need more of them. That's why it's +5. Well, we take our 95 and we go times 10 to the +5. That's where the 5 goes in, and we just grab the 95 from here. But that's not proper scientific notation. So we have to put the decimal point 1, move it 1 to the left between 9 and 5. So if we make that 10 times smaller, we have to make this 10 times bigger. So our answer is 9.5 times 10 to the 6 centigrams. A lot of students find that last step difficult. But you're just balancing the front, this divided by 10, so this back part multiplied by 10. We're going to do the same thing for B. Milli means -3, nano means -9. Again, we're going down the chart. We're going from a small number to a smaller number. So our power difference is going to be positive, and it's going to be +6. They're 6 away. So we're going to go 35 times 10 to +6, and just like the last one, we have to make a proper scientific notation. We shrink this by 10 and we increase that by 10, and we have our answer. So let's try C and D. First with C. We need our powers. So micro is -6 and mega is +6. So our power difference, well, first of all, we're going up the table. We're going from little units to big units. And that means our power difference is going to be negative. -12, that's the gap between them. So we're going to need a lot fewer megagrams than micrograms. Micrograms are tiny. So now we write it out. 822 times 10 to the -12. The -12 went there. The 822 just went there. We have to shrink this by a factor of 100. So this goes up by a factor of 100. So C, 822 divided by 100 gets us there. 10 to the -12 times 100 gets us to 10 to the -10, and they are equivalent. One more example. We have a -3 and a +3. Milli is smaller than kilo, so we are definitely going up the chart. Therefore, our power difference is negative. Power difference is -6. 492 times 10 to the -6. Well, again, we got to shrink by a factor of 100. And increase the other by a factor of 100. So we get our 4.92 times 10 to the 4 kilometers. So you now have about 7 examples. It should be making sense.